Hey there, folks. If you're new to Cash App or just need a quick refresher on how to send money, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide to get you sending cash in no time. Cash App is super user-friendly and makes transferring money as easy as texting a friend. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to have the Cash App downloaded on your phone. Head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and download it if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up with your email, phone number, or even link it to your existing account. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. After you're logged in, the next step is to add some funds to your account. You can link your bank account, debit card, or even add money directly from another source. This is crucial because you can't send what you don't have. Now, to send money, tap on the $sign icon at the bottom of the screen. This brings up the payment screen. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check that number. Nobody likes surprises. Then, type in the recipient's details. You can use their Cash App username, phone number, or email. If they're in your contacts, it might even auto-suggest for you. Pro tip: always add a note or memo to your payment so the recipient knows what it's for, like dinner last night or rent share. Once everything looks good, hit that Pay button. You'll get a confirmation screen to review the transaction, including any potential fees. Cash App is usually free for most transactions, but keep an eye out for instant transfers. After you confirm, the money should be on its way almost immediately. And that's it, you're all set. Remember, always prioritize safety. Only send money to people you trust, and keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized activity. If you run into any issues, Cash App has great customer support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy sending!